I'm finally using the attachment I blended in my previous video to braid my hair, just like I promised. Remember that color 1 and 33 that I blended together in my previous video that came out like this, looking dark brown and very beautiful. So I finally decided to braid my hair with it today. I initially thought I was going to be able to post it like 2 days after the previous video, but I wasn't able to do that because I had work and other engagements. So today I finally decided to do it, and the style I'm going to be doing with this is braids, but it's going to be loose braids. I've done loose braids for some of my clients, like a few of them, and I like how it turned out, and since then I've fallen in love with loose braids, but I've never actually done it for myself. So today I chose that hairstyle. Now fingers crossed, because I'm not really sure how it's going to come out. I've done different styles for myself in the past. I've done passion twists, I've done braids, I've done different styles, but I've never tried loose braids before. So I'm just like you now, I don't know how it's going to turn out. So whatever it is, I guess at the end of this video we're going to find out together. Now onto the tools I'll be using for this session. I guess I'll be using the scissors, my braiding gel, some hair clips, this for parting my hair, and of course the attachments, pre-plucked, prepped, pre-mixed, and everything is ready to go. So stay tuned. Maybe how did they talk on? Just stay with me. This is the hairstyle I'm going to be doing. This one, but I'm going for the jumbo size because I don't want to waste too much time on it. So I'm going for the big size. So I guess I'll see you at the end of the video and we can both rate the outcome together. so much for sticking to the end. This is not the final result because I'm still going to dip the ends in hot water, but this is the almost final result. So this took me from when I started braiding around 3 o'clock. Now it's almost just few minutes to 6, so it took me 3 hours in total to braid this. 3 hours, and now I just need to trim it a little, or I don't know, I'll try to use scissors to trim it and then maybe burn it a little on the body, and then I'll dip just the ends in hot water. So the thing about loose braids is you don't want to dip everything in hot water, because the hot water is going to ruin the style. It's going to shrink it, and that will defeat the purpose of this style, because it's supposed to look fluffy and soft. So I'm not going to be dipping everything in hot water, just the tips, to kind of seal it so it doesn't unravel after some time. But yeah, my voice is kind of, I don't know, low somehow now. I think maybe it's because I'm hungry. I've only eaten once today and it's already 6 p.m. So thank you so much for watching. At the end of this video, or a few minutes at the end of this video, I'm going to add the final look, the videos of the final looks, so you can see what it looks like after I dip it in hot water and trim the body. So thank you so much for sticking with me to the end. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. Don't forget to like this video and also share with your friends, and please keep coming back to watch my videos and engage with them. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.